How to be minimalist. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your life? Do you find yourself constantly buying things you don't need or use? If so, it may be time to consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Being a minimalist means living with intention, focusing on what truly matters, and letting go of excess possessions and commitments. At the core of minimalism is the idea of simplicity. By simplifying your life, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, and find more time for the things you love. Start by decluttering your home and getting rid of things you don't use or need. This can be a difficult process, but by letting go of the things that don't add value to your life, you'll create space for the things that do. In addition to decluttering your physical space, it's important to simplify your schedule as well. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your values or goals. By focusing on the things that truly matter, you'll find that you have more time and energy for the things that bring you joy. Another key aspect of minimalism is mindfulness. Being mindful means being present in the moment and fully engaged with what you're doing. When you're mindful, you're able to appreciate the simple things in life and find joy in everyday moments. This can be as simple as taking a walk in nature or enjoying a cup of tea without any distractions. Living a minimalist lifestyle also means being intentional with your purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself if it's something you truly need or if it will add value to your life. By being mindful of your purchases, you'll avoid buying things you don't need and reduce your environmental impact. One of the biggest benefits of minimalism is the freedom it provides. By letting go of excess possessions and commitments, you'll have more time and resources to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Whether it's traveling the world, pursuing a creative hobby, or simply spending time with loved ones, minimalism can help you create a life that's truly fulfilling. Of course, minimalism isn't for everyone. It's important to remember that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to living a fulfilling life. However, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your life or you're looking for a way to simplify and focus on what truly matters, minimalism may be worth considering. In conclusion, being a minimalist means living intentionally, focusing on what truly matters, and letting go of excess possessions and commitments. By simplifying your life, being mindful, and pursuing your passions, you can create a life that's truly fulfilling. So why not give minimalism a try? Who knows, it may just change your life for the better.